Antayo ako. Maramanak ni dinakdakan. Kung lagpad di ko ta dinakdakanen. Una dinakdakan ditan, dinakdakan. Hindi ko kayo man ti dinakdakan. Dinakdakan, maramanak dinakdakan. Grabe na amdama. Papay. Makaramraman ti dinakdakan. Dinakdakan. Cheers. Dinakdakan. Maglilitsyon. Maglilitsyon ako, Ate Mercy. Huwag kang malito. Maglilitsyon ako. Excuse me. Ay.
How are you? No more glasses? No more glasses? No, you don't wear glasses
Oh,
anymore.
no more. It's after surgery, it's good.
That's good.
But I need this sometimes little far. They prescribe me, so half number and 0.25.
Really?
Because they say that you're not
That's
total,
great.
you're not total clear, but if that number is nothing,
Yeah.
0.25 what?
Yeah, that's nothing.
So you can watch, you can, but
Yeah.
I have to take some precaution, I have to order it already.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like, wait a minute, your glasses are not, they don't work.
I take the bifocal and gone and try to change the color. Yeah.
I know. We have a lemon tree, right? And we're, I think, like that. You know what I say, we used to write all the hair, so that it holds them and get.
That include Shohei Ohtani and his team boy. Game 3 extraordinaire and Game 5 closer Walker Buehler enjoying himself wearing the jersey of 1988 World Series MVP.
Okay.
Hershiser, the Bucks then.
Ano, Kap, sino si ano? Sino yung sinasabi mong Ricardo? Sino si Ricardo?
Game 2 performance, Ice Cube, manager Dave Roberts showing off his pants moves. The team walking down the blue
Ito ba yun? Kita ko na.
savoring this moment as they were not able to celebrate with the
Hindi, nakita na.
winning the title in 2020. All the emotions from Teoscar Hernandez.
Ba't malabo?
In this packed Dodger Stadium, unlike any
Malabo.
championship parade or celebration I've ever seen before.
Malabo naman yung sinan mo.
Make it out today. Well, the boys are
The
going
baseball
plan
players
on
were
doing
pretty
this a
nice.
lot over the next decade.
Okay. Ito malinaw, malinaw. Got it. Alang niya. Huli ka. Hindi ka natatayo. Hindi ka natatayo. Yeah. Hindi ka na patatayuin ngayon, ano? Yari siya. Yari ka.
as you saw, very, very emotional. Clayton Kershaw, he is the longest tenured Dodger in a Dodger uniform, and Dave Roberts paid tribute to him. Along with that moment was Shohei Ohtani.
Yeah,
and
wait.
he spoke in English to the crowd. A very touching moment there as well. So many
Hindi ka natatayo.
types of emotions here at Dodger Stadium, but mostly to celebrate this team and these fans
Okay.
who have been here.
Time's up.
And Colleen for the
Time's up.
entire journey that started in March in
Time's
South
up.
Korea, and here at Dodger Stadium as he celebrated
Time's up.
Fernando's birthday.
Time's up.
November
Balik na ako.
1st. Let's do it again next
Salamat,
year.
Michelle.
Dodger Stadium, around
Arnold,
30.
Arnold, Amarile.
This is Colleen and Ellen.
I think that's an excellent idea. We're all for that one.